And moving on to the deadly Ebola outbreak, 2 Americans who contracted the deadly virus in Liberia have survived and been discharged from a hospital in Atlanta, Georgia. This is good news, a positive development in an otherwise bleak story.
Yes, it's definitely a step in the right direction. The 2 U.S. aid workers were treated with an experimental drug, and it appears they've made a full recovery, with doctors assuring they no longer pose a threat to the public. Our Connie Lee reports.
2 U.S. aid workers are now clear of the Ebola virus. Dr. Brantly and Nancy Writebol have been released from Emory University Hospital in Atlanta after spending nearly 3 weeks in isolation.
Today is a miraculous day.
Dr. Brantly, with the medical team that treated him, was greeted with applause at a news conference on Thursday, the day of his release.
I'm thrilled to be alive, to be well, and to be reunited with my family.
Nancy Writebol was quietly released from the hospital on Tuesday. Doctors say the patients went through a rigorous treatment and testing with the experimental drug called ZMapp. And according to the doctors, they now pose no risk to the public.
The medical staff here at Emory is confident that the discharge from the hospital of both of these patients poses no public health threat.
The 2 Americans were both missionaries working in an Ebola ward in Liberia when they were infected with the virus. Soon after, they were flown from Liberia to the hospital in the United States, making them the first human patients with Ebola to ever come into the country. These 2 may have survived, but the outbreak continues to take a toll. The World Health Organization says more than 2,400 people have been infected, and more than 1,300 people have died since the outbreak was first found in West Africa back in March. So there's a continued plea to help stop the ongoing outbreak.
I am forever thankful to God for sparing my life. Please continue to pray for Liberia and the people of West Africa.
Connie Lee, Arirang News.